Hi and welcome back to awen-lutherie. This is the final episode of my homemade to handmade video build series. So this is just a playtest, the fun part of the build, I suppose. So I am plugged in to a Trinity TC15 amplifier that I built myself. It is based upon a Vox AC15 and a matchless DC20. So I really like it. It's got that British kind of tone, and I'm playing into a 1x12 cabinet, which is actually going to be the feature of my next video build series. That has a Roland V12 speaker in it, and I'm recording this all the guitar through my Zoom H4n. So I'm using the amp just as a clean tone, and I have a Digitech Bad Monkey Overdrive for all of my drive tones. So this is the bridge pickup, just in clean. So you can hear it's lovely and articulate and clean. I don't have pedals or anything. This amp doesn't have reverb, so you're hearing a very, very clean, unsaturated sound coming from that. No delays, no reverbs, none of that funny business, which I think pedals might be the next hole I fall down, which is going to be very dangerous for my bank account. But yeah, that clean sound just, to me, sounds great. Lovely and crisp, really cuts through. So onto both pickups together. So again, lovely, crisp and clear. There's almost a jazz tone in my head anyway. I'm just playing mainly chords because I don't play the electric guitar that much anymore, because this was my main electric guitar and I cut 5-year-old strings off it when I started this build series. So hopefully this is going to be me getting back into the electric guitar. I don't know, it sounds lovely. I think it's just lovely and smooth. The two pickups working together, you get the clarity and the bite from the bridge pickup, and this warmth from the neck pickup. I have everything full on here. I'm not playing with anything, not adjusting it, but so this is now the neck pickup just by itself. So I'm kind of getting nearly a Hendrix kind of tone there. Which I haven't played in a long time. I can't play any of his stuff anymore, but I can see that's what I'll be using for all that kind of the... I can't wait to get back into all that stuff actually. It's been a long time since I played it. But yeah, it sounds lovely. Just that lovely round tone is how I describe that. Just, it's got this... Just the E string sounds round is the only word I can use there. But yeah, let's go back to the bridge pickup. Again, everything up on full, and let's put on a bit of drive. Turn up the level of touch on that actually. I said all these tones beforehand, but as I'm playing they just need a bit of tweaking. Oh, wow, I'm rusty at that. I'm very sorry for that. It sounds great though. It's just this driven, really full ahead tone. I love it. Let's go into the middle position on this. And this is one I really like again. Again, you get that lovely well-rounded warmth. The neck position now. Let's see what that sounds like. See, when I roll the tone right off this guy now. Actually, it doesn't wool up so much with the tone off. Not sure if I really wanted that anyway, so I'm happy with that. That sounds pretty woolly to me. And I think I'm going to call it there for this sound demo. I suppose as the project as a whole, I am delighted with it. I'm delighted to get this guitar back up and running after several years of neglect and many years before that of inadequacy, I think I want to call it. So I'm really thankful that for anyone who's watched the videos. I hope they were of some interest to most people. I had a lot of fun doing them, learned a lot by doing them as well. First video series for me, so kind of didn't know what I was doing. But I do have many more planned. As I said, this speaker cabinet is the next video series. I have all of the complete making of that recorded, and should be interesting. Again, a first for me. It's made with finger jointed corners on it, which I've never done before. But Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Click likes, click subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you very, very much, and see you again soon.